4 in the morning, the only thing that'll get me up is opportunity. Something has potential for an adventure or for raising the stakes or for raising my opportunity in life, I'll get up in the morning. That's no problem. Why do I train? Because I don't want to squander any opportunity. These gifts that I've been given, I believe without my training, I don't unlock that potential, thus I relinquish the gift. We have to test ourselves every day. And when you get up in the morning, I want to do something hard. The lifestyle of going after something like that and just being okay with it's going to take 10 or 20 or 30 years to change it. Bottom line is how good I am depends on the effort that I put in, the preparation I put in. The best way you could do that is through stress inoculation, getting used to being uncomfortable, to reach mental, emotional stoicism when hard things come your way. Hard things make us stronger. My motivation when no one's watching is the fear that I won't reach my potential. There's other people that could do this. So if you want to be on the same page, then you just got to push through. That's how this goes. My potential, I don't believe, has been tapped, and there's still a lot of adventure ahead in my life because I want to be on this earth as long as humanly possible in a good state. So that is something that in the quiet hours that always motivates me to make good choices.